For safety, do remember to wear safety vest and helmet before using the machine. Pull the ring pull to adjust the holding handle. Lift both sides additional weight up. Push the handle adjuster up to adjust the handle. Put down the pedal. Grasp the holding handle while foot step on the pedal. Press down the handle by power to up the base plate of machine. Take off the Velcro cloth and install the resin pad on. Each time install same type and same grid pads 12 pieces. Use a tool to insert the gap to take off the pad holder. Install the metal blade on. After take off all pad holders. Hold the diamond segments of metal blade to install for not hurting the fingers. After install the pads or blades, grasp the holding handle to lift the machine and step on the pedal to put down the machine lightly. Install the dust skirt. If you need wet grinding, add water from here. Turn it in counterclockwise or clockwise rotation to open or close the water. Put down the additional weight on both sides. Align the plug slot and insert the plug by firmly to connect the power supply. Push the air switch up. USB socket for mobile phone charging. Socket for charging machine battery. Turn on the LED lamp. Push the handle adjuster up to adjust the handle. To start the driving system when using the machine grinding, do remember put down the gear switch. If you want to push the machine without using the driving system, do remember to pull the gear switch up. Turn on the key switch. Pull the urgent stop switch up. Turn on the start switch. Adjust the grinding speed switch to start grinding. Press the forward switch down. Adjust the drive speed switch to make the machine grinding forward. Press the backward switch down. The machine will grind backward. Press the urgent stop switch to stop the machine. Press forward switch and adjust the drive speed. It's easy to move the machine.